In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate alerts in Smartsheet. We'll walk through setting up a simple automation so that when a task is marked as complete, Smartsheet automatically sends a notification to a specific person. By the end, you'll have a working alert that you can reuse or adapt for your own projects. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're on the correct sheet where your project data lives, since the automation will only apply to this sheet. Once it loads, look toward the top of the screen and switch the view to the table-style layout by clicking on the table option. This helps you clearly see all your columns and rows. Next, change the view to grid. The grid view is the standard spreadsheet layout in Smartsheet and is usually the easiest place to configure automations because you can see your key columns like status, assigned to, and so on. Now go to the top menu and click on Automation. This opens the automation panel, where you can manage rules that send alerts, update records, and more. Instead of building a rule from scratch, we're going to speed things up by using a pre-built option. Click on Create from Template. Smartsheet provides several automation templates designed for common workflows like reminders and status updates. From the list of templates that appears, select the one that best matches an alert when something changes in the sheet. Click on the highlighted template that fits your use case, then click Use Template. Smartsheet will load that template into the workflow editor so you can customize it. In the workflow editor, you'll see a trigger section that usually says something like, when rows are changed, and a condition block that might default to any field. Click on any field to change what Smartsheet should watch for. From the list of columns, choose the status column. This tells Smartsheet you only care about changes to the status field. Now refine the condition, click on Add a Value, and then choose Complete. This means the automation will only fire when the status of a row is set to complete. Next, scroll to the alert settings where you define who gets notified. Click on the area that says Add a Name or Email, and select the person who should receive the alert from your contact list. This could be the project owner, a manager, or whoever needs to know when tasks are completed. Finally, review the trigger settings one more time to make sure everything looks right, then click Save. Your automated alert is now active and will run every time a row's status is updated to complete on this sheet.